Would you believe if I say these vegan, gluten-free, grain-free, butter-free, refined sugar-free almond date cookies are made with just 2 ingredients? Yes, you heard that right. Only 2 simple ingredients and they are packed with healthy goodness. These almond date cookies are naturally sweet, full of healthy fats and so easy to make. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating, remove the pits from your dates unless you are using pre-pitted dates. Set those aside for now. Now grab your food processor and add in your almond flour or raw almonds. If you're using raw almonds, be sure to pulse them into a coarse meal before adding the dates. Then add the pitted dates. Pulse everything together until it forms a sticky dough. Once your dough is ready, transfer it to a plate and roll it into small balls about 1 tablespoon each. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place the dough balls about 1 inch apart. Use a wet or greased fork to gently press down on each cookie to create that perfect crisscross pattern. Pop them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until they turn golden brown. When they are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for 5 minutes on the baking sheet. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And that's it. Healthy, delicious vegan almond date cookies are ready in no time. Whether you need a quick snack or a simple treat, these cookies have got you covered. Serve them immediately or store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. They are perfect for snacking, dessert, or even an energy boost during the day. Happy cooking! See you next time!